All right, guys, so for this one, you are going back to that idea of journaling. Now, we introduced this at the beginning of remote learning. It was an enrichment option, but now we're going to think about it a little bit differently. So one thing you could do is do a journal entry about just something from 6th grade, and there's some questions here to help you think about it. So it could be, maybe you want to talk about what you learned in your classes, maybe what activities you were a part of. Someday you could look back at this and remember. Maybe some risks you took, what are some new things you tried, people you met, like really anything about 6th grade that you want to look back on someday and kind of remember. This is your chance to really capture that moment and reflect on some learning and just some things that happened in your life at this time, okay? This is that same document that you guys had when we started remote learning, but it has some ideas here on how you could do your journals. So there's one about, some questions here that you could also use if you want, but we have some different options. You could do like a classic journal entry. There's an example there. You could do your sketch notes like we talked about and when we did this for remote learning. A bullet journal, these are really cool, right? Kind of just a different way to organize your thoughts. You could do your reading journal. So this one was more of a response of something you read, but you could also use a template like this if you want for something you learned, right? Or maybe one of the books we've read, you could do that too. But just some different ideas to get your brain going on that, okay? So just think about what did you want to take away from this year or reflect on, and then take a little bit of time to do a journal entry on that, okay? You could do this digitally or in your ISN. Just make sure that you communicate to your teacher how you did it. Let us know if you have any questions.